And my father and my grandmother, when she was in the Hebrew home in Hartford, I still feel awkward in old people's homes, even though I'm on my way probably momentarily. But I went to visit her and I brought her my little daughter's phonograph and a record of a Jewish song. And when I began to sing, she said, "Turn it off, turn it off." So I turned it off and she sang the song that was on the record that I remember her singing to me, Lomir Zikh Iberbetn, do you know? Lomir Zikh Iberbetn, Iberbetn, stellt dem Samovar, stellt dem Samovar, Lomir Zikh Iberbetn, sei je nicht kein Narr, Lomir Zikh Iberbetn, sei je nicht kein Narr, Lomir Zikh Iberbetn, kaufen Pomeranzen, kaufen Pomeranzen, Lomir Zikh Iberbetn, Lomir gehen tanzen, Lomir Zikh Iberbetn, Lomir gehen tanzen, Lomir Zikh Iberbetn, Iberbetn, wo steht's denn bei den Tier, wo steht's denn bei den Tier? Lomir Zikh Iberbetn, komm mal rein zu mir. Lomir Zikh Iberbetn. My grandmother would have said, Kim mal rein zu mir. Kim, kum, you know that distinction between Litvak and... Anyhow, that song, let's forgive each other. Let's heat up the samovar. Sei je nicht kein Narr. Don't be crazy. Let's buy an orange. Let's go dancing. Why are you standing by the door? Come here to me.